Yeah, I know.
Yep, so welcome. This is April 7th. This is the weekly Grimoire Lab meeting. So today, the last couple of weeks, we've been kind of chatting with Peter about some of the things that he's been looking at with respect to Grimoire Lab in his own special circumstances or own special context. Obviously, we can continue to talk about that. We can also take a look at the list of items from last week, and if there's any kind of outstanding issues. And then I think maybe the rest of the time is folks from Grimoire Lab kind of telling us what's new and what's going on and what work is being done with the software. Does that sound all right with everybody?
That sounds good to me.
Somebody has children playing in the background, which is totally cool with me. Not bothering me like the lawnmower. I had to close my windows to obscure.
Yeah, I've been talking with Georg before, because he is now, I think, is recording the next podcast for CHAOSS or CHAOSS podcast.
Yeah.
I don't know. We have already official name. So he said, "Okay, Manrique, you join the call and you improvise." So I'm here just to answer questions you have about Grimoire Lab. Now I've been reading the notes and I've seen that Peter has playing with Percival to gather some data about some projects. I see that Santi is on the call, so I think we can cover any question you might have. And I don't know if, Peter, you have been moving forward this analysis you've been running. I've been checking from March 31st. There were some questions that I don't know if have been answered, all of them. I was checking now what's the next step after getting the data, how to map all the different places of a project. Valerio, that is not here, about using Mordred. Okay.
I can go in the beginning, or I can go at the end. It's up to you guys. I mean, however you want to run it, I'm flexible. But we do have a little bit of updates on what the suggestions you guys had, and have some follow-up questions basically. But you know, we can address the Grimoire Lab stuff first, and then maybe we can go at the end. I don't know. That's up to you.
Yeah, I leave it to Manrique.
Yeah, go and update us, and let's try to answer the questions or the comments you have. I think you can go first if you want.
Basically, our intern tried this installing the Docker image, and he had some questions about. Junior, do you want to share some of the screenshots that you had? And we couldn't get it to run due to some error with the Elasticsearch Docker, is what really happened. And we were hoping to get some how to move forward. If you can share exactly what type of error message you got, you know, screen capture of those, that'll be great. We tried basically the suggestion by Valerio, use micro Mordred and to orchestrate the Percival and ELK. That was where we were having a little bit of problem. Julian, are you online, and can you share some of your screenshots, your email?
Yeah. So how do I share my screenshot?
Can you?
The share
It
button
should be at the bottom.
Yeah, there's
share screen.
Okay. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yes.
So I was following the instruction, and I set up there's setup CVH and a Docker compose YML. So basically, these are the files that I used. And you can see. So I don't know what's wrong because what I got. So I made some adaptations, like I used localhost for both Elasticsearch or Kibana, and I changed the default limit settings, and then I used the Docker Compose up. So this is what I got. So Docker Compose Elasticsearch exceeded with code 137. So I tried a lot of times, but I always got problem with Elasticsearch. So it's really hard to connect. I don't know why. I think maybe it's because some parameters is wrong, but I don't know.
Have you checked what error is that? The 137?
Hmm?
If you have checked what code error is that one, the 137?
I mean, how do I look into this code? 137.
Is that it's what I'm looking for in
Okay.
so 137? What is this?
It seems to be related with the memory of the machine you are using.
The memory.
Apparently, it's something like the memory limit or something like that.
The memory issue. Yes,
Oh, I see that too. Yeah. It seems like it's running out of memory because you're running in the VM. I should have caught that. Okay. I think we can try that one more time with the bigger memory machine. Due to the COVID-19, he doesn't really have access to the machine room that we have. So,
Okay.
so he's been running on the laptop. All the UCSD students and faculties are banned from entering the building at this point.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it could be related with the memory.
okay.
Well, I run that. I run GrimoireLab in my laptop too, and I have like 8 gigabytes of memory, and it works fine there. So I don't know.
Yeah, I think I still have some spare memory. It's not running out. I don't know why.
Is there a
By the
parameter
way,
that we can play with in the in that setting, or I don't know how that works?
yeah, that's something you can use, but let me check.
Okay.
What do you in the Docker file? Which Docker file are you using? Can I see it?
Which one?
The Docker file.
Docker file.
Can I see the file? Can you open it?
The docker.ym, docker compose.ym.
Oh wait.
Julia, can you show the Docker file? Are you online?
Yes. Can you see it?
No.
No. Okay.
No, we can't see it. It's just stuck on the Word.
Yeah. It's
Okay,
the original document you were showing.
No?
Yes,
Yeah.
I can see him now.
Can you make it a little bigger?
Yeah. So in the under the Elasticsearch section, you see that there's an environment variable that which is ES Java ops, and it says 4 gigabytes,
Yes.
and each one set it to 2.
2. Okay.
With 2, it should work with 2. It will be enough, at least to run in and try it. It should be enough.
Okay.
And I don't know the other parameters that you have there. The ulimits, memlog. I don't know what is that, but
Okay.
I don't think those things are necessary. So you can remove them.
Okay. Not sure if it worked. I'm running right now.
So Peter, was this the primary issue from your side of things?
We are not sure. It sounds like it was a memory issue, but it's not clear. It does insert, but whenever we want to actually use it, it seems to crash and connection gets lost. I've seen this error and some other error, but we didn't really record that one. Maybe because some installation was not done correctly. We had to reinstall a few times. Is what happened, and maybe this will work with this try. I'm not sure.
Okay. So it sounds like just see if this works first and then go from there.
Okay, so I think it says unable to retrieve connection. I don't know if it's related. Maybe it's related to the ports.
Ports?
Yeah, well, can I see the ports section in Elasticsearch? No, well, it's okay. So it's been. So can you go to your browser and check that URL that you have down there? The one it's 127.0.0.
Go to the
Yeah, the localhost 9200 in your browser.
Okay. Okay.
We see the browser.
That's working or not?
9.
Yeah.
It should be one of those, the 9200.
Yep.
Oh, I see JSON file raw data headers.
Okay, so
That's Elasticsearch and change Elasticsearch. I mean, it's
Yeah,
running.
it's working.
so now it's running. Before it wasn't running, so now you have it running.
Okay. So should I wait? So
Can you
before
go now to the other one, to the localhost 5? What's the port?
5601.
Yeah, that one. Can you click on JSON and the JSON tab?
Okay.
Six. Okay. So can you go now to the other thing, the Kibana? It's in the port. It's in localhost 5.
5601.
Yeah, that one. Unable to connect. So let me think. Can I see again the Docker file?
Yeah.
Okay, aren't we supposed to things? Search URL.
Okay, let me check. Nice. Okay, you shouldn't be using that Elasticsearch image, I think.
Which one?
Because I think the Kibiter version uses something like the searchgar or something like that, and probably is not connected to that, but just let me check one thing.
Which one?
Just a second.
So,
I'm just comparing my file with yours. So in the Elasticsearch section, in the image, write Vitergia / Elasticsearch. I can share you the what you need. Yes, let me can I paste here? Okay, so it's in this chat. So that's what you need to write.
Oh.
But you need to tab everything and so.
Restart.
But ignore the secure thing, I think. Let me check.
Image. Oh, so restart on failure.
You will need to pull the image from the.
Okay. I need to stop the.
Yeah, of course. The problem is.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to keep doing this thing or we can do it in a separate call or something like that, or I can help you on.
I think it's fine doing it here. This is kind of what these calls are for.
Okay.
Start. Image. Search. So it's different image and the command.
Yeah. It should. Let me check because there must be something somewhere. Docker file.
Oh. Error.
No, let me check. Probably, I think. Can I see again the
I think there's a mistake. It should, the command is wrong.
what?
Okay, let me see.
Oh, Elasticsearch.
Okay, yeah, everything is perfect. Sorry.
So I don't know. Checking the localhost. I don't know. Can you do a Docker pull Peter's slash Elasticsearch blah blah blah?
Can I what?
Do a Docker pull, Docker space pull.
Oh. Do you mean
In the terminal, if you can run the command Docker space, so Docker pull. No, not Docker compose. Docker pull, P-U-L-L.
P-U-M-M.
L, like, no, P of pan, pull.
P-U-L-L?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, P-U-L.
Pull as Peter.
Okay.
Sorry for my accent.
I'm sorry, it's a little bit.
No, but do that, but write the name of the image you want to, so the detergent slash.
So copy this line.
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
What's going on? what's going on. Let me check. I think I'm having, so I just wrote the same command and it's downloading that
Oh.
thing. So,
Oh. Oh.
so what is that? I think I had the same problem once, but I don't remember now. What was what? What was that?
No. Search house.
Let me, I don't know if you need something else.
Is it because of the version?
Maybe, or because you have the service down. Can you do a P like in Peter, P S?
PS.
Yeah. Space.
Space.
No, well, space. No, yeah. Well, no. Remove that and write a AUX.
AUX.
Yeah. And run that command
Uh-huh.
and check if Docker is running somewhere. So you can do it with a grep. If you do a Do you know how to use the bash shell and how to use a pipe? So run this command. Let's go. I just type in a chat what you need to run.
Grab dog.
The daemon is still there. Let me check if I have something else. I don't know if you need something else. Let me check. Maybe I have something. Let me check. I have this proxy. You have the proxy. I don't. There should be another daemon running there, which is the Docker proxy, and I don't see it. So maybe that's the thing. So. Okay, so maybe. maybe, well, this might help, but I'm not sure it will be. How can I share this? So, maybe, can you follow the instructions of the first answer in here? So maybe that's the problem.
Sorry, my child has guessed how to activate the alarm in the mobile phone. The emergency call. Oh my gosh.
Follow the first answer.
Yeah, the first one. Are you running this in the computer or in? Is it a virtual machine or what is it?
A virtual machine, Ubuntu.
Okay. You are not going to be able to write in that directory unless you are a super user. Unless you are a super user. Yeah.
Oh, there's I should create a folder here. Docker service. Oh, okay. I need to.
It's faster if you do it on the terminal. I can type the commands that you need. So if you go to this, then And then this. So oops, you need to do a CD before. So just a second. Instead of that, no. This one. Open. Yeah. Control O to save. Yeah.
Is the Docker service
And you need to reload the services. No.
reload?
Yeah, well, with the commands that are in that are there. So these ones. So with that, you can restart the demos.
Oh. Uh,
Now run what I paste in the chat.
I'm looking for the chat.
And what I pasted there. And the other one. Okay, do this. Let's try with this. Try with that comma. More. Speed. Can you? Let me. can you try this?
Which Docker?
Okay, oh, snap. Can you try with this other one? Yeah. The same, but Docker D at the end. Can you go up in the terminal and to see the the services running? Oh, snap. Docker D. What is running there? So what is it? Just a second. I need to find that. Okay, let's try with this. Maybe this is a different thing, so this might work.
Snap start. Started.
Okay, can you do the same, run the same command we did before, which was this one? It's the same thing as didn't change, so let me see if we can. How can we run the? How can we run this thing? The proxy. We are running out of time. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, the technology. This
I
is
actually appreciate
how it
that.
works. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I'm sorry we brought this problem without, so much preparation. We try to solve it even over the weekend, how to resolve this on our own, but we need some help.
No,
This is
I understand now.
This is what these sessions can be for.
Yeah.
Always always just about talking about new features, but trying to work through
Let's see.
community issues.
Yes, and also just to give you some
We
background.
really appreciate it. Thank you, guys.
In the meantime, we have discovered that Docker, from time to time, usually is creating these things that they say that they solve this problem of running something every machine. And we discovered that everybody has a different Docker installation, and it's becoming a nightmare because everybody says, okay, just Docker run Docker Compose or whatever, and it's running. And then it depends how you have installed Docker, which environment is Docker running. And I learned that from the hard way in San Diego, in the CHAOSS.Con in San Diego last year. We have 6-7 people in the workshop, and each one of them has a different environment. And it was like, it's just Docker, yes. Now we are working on
I'm
ways
in the SPDX working group, and then
Oh.
the compliance side of things. You know, where do you put the license and dependencies of the dependencies and etc. It's a mess right now.
Now we are working on ways to deploy the things, probably using Ansible recipes and new ways to deploy the thing, and even to set up the environment using Terraform, for example. So basically you can control, okay, this is the SAC machine you are going to use, and this is the SAT environment. Now, of course, last but not least, probably you can use a pre-configured virtual machine. That's one thing. And the other is keep working on the cauldron idea of you don't need to install anything, just you go to a website and start running your own analysis. That's in progress still, and that's for the cauldron call, not for the Grimoire Lab call.
So my suggestion here is this, as we are kind of approaching the end, Sante, is there an issue that, like a GrimoireLab issue that this conversation can carry?
No, I think it's a problem with how Docker is running on his computer. So because he installed it with Snap and not with Debian packages or any other things. So there's something that is not running there, and it needs something running there to download the new images. So
is there a way that you guys recommend which way to install Docker then? And maybe we can try that and then do the same steps.
I usually install it using the documentation in the website. The documentation, like from their sources, not from Debian or anything else.
Just from Docker itself?
Yeah, well, kind of. So you have to download some packages and run the script that they have to install it. And
could you share the link that you?
Yeah, let me check.
I think
I have pasted in the chat.
Enrique did it.
Okay.
Basically, we usually follow the Docker for Linux because the environment we use. We follow the Docker for Linux instructions, and it's quite straightforward. I mean, usually don't have any issue with that, and from there it usually runs.
Sorry to take up so much of the time, but we'll try this and report back.
Okay. In any case, send me. I paste my email here, so send me an email with any problem you have, and maybe we can talk someday, or we can chat online or whatever.
And
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.
This meeting is for these kinds of interactions. So don't worry about taking up time here. This is exactly what this meeting is for.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Well, with that, we'll call this meeting an end, just because we have another one starting on the same channel in 3 minutes. So.
All right, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you using it. This is how we learn.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.